In this video, I will show you how to draw grid lines for your working drawing in Revit. So pay attention as we go into it. Go to Architecture tab. At the right hand side, you see grid. Click on it. Let's draw the horizontal grid first. You can name it 1. Click on the grid. Use the shortcut CO to copy. Depending on your dimension, I'm using 1300 mm here. It's 1100 mm. Okay, now the horizontal grid, the vertical grid. So we'll go back to architecture, click on grid. At this point, we're going to rename this. We're going to be using alphabet. I prefer using alphabet. You can also use number, but I prefer using alphabet. So we name it A. You also do the same copying CO. Depending on your dimension, I'll use 2 meters here. I think this is okay. Then you can adjust. Click as anyone. You see this circle that appears. You drag it to make it go closer. Do the same thing here. To make this grid numberings to appear at this end, you click on it. This square that appears here, click on it to appear. Do the same thing here. So when you are done with this, you can now draw your walls on top of the grid using the same alignment.